Hey guys, in this video, I will be showing you what to do if your iPhone has ghost touches after the iOS 16 update. Some owners reported that their iPhone started to have ghost touch after the iOS 16 update. There are users who said their problem is that when the screen is unlocked, it will move on its own as if someone is touching it. If you're one of them, this is what you need to do. The first thing you should do if you're dealing with a ghost touch issue is to force restart your device. This will refresh the memory and reload all services. Needless to say, it brings your iPhone back to its normal operation. Here's how it is done. Quickly press and release the volume up, then do the same to the volume down. Immediately after releasing the volume down button, press and hold the side key for 10 seconds. This will trigger the iPhone to shut down and power back on. When the Apple logo shows, release the side key and wait until the device finishes the reboot. After this, try to see if the ghost touches still occur. Reset all the settings on your iPhone. If the forced restart failed to fix the problem, the next thing you have to do is to reset all the settings. This is to rule out the possibility that the ghost touches is caused by some inappropriate settings on your device. Here's how it's done. From the home screen, tap Settings. Find and tap General. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen and then touch Reset. Touch Reset all settings. If prompted, enter your security lock. Tap Reset all settings at the bottom of the screen and then tap Reset all settings again to confirm. Your iPhone will reboot after this. Once it has finished rebooting, try to see if the problem is fixed. Most of the time, these are the only procedures you need to do to get rid of the ghost touches. However, after doing the first two solutions and your iPhone still has the ghost touches, then it's time that you reset it. A factory reset will be able to fix this. However, make sure to back up your important files. When ready, follow these steps to reset your device. From the home screen, tap Settings. Find and tap General. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen, and then touch Reset. Tap Erase all contents and settings. Tap Erase now. If prompted, enter your security locks. Tap Erase iPhone at the bottom of the screen. Tap Erase iPhone again to proceed with the reset. After the reset, set up your iPhone as a new device and don't install anything yet. If the ghost touches still occur, then it's a possible hardware issue. With that, you need to set up an appointment at the Genius Bar or bring the iPad to a reliable technician. I hope that this guide has been able to help. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos in the future. Thanks for watching.